5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Hi, this is Barry from CNC Modeler. Today we're looking at a bit more of the braiding machine. As you can see, the white hoop has been added onto the braiding machine itself. That's used to guide the weave off the bobbins and get a clean exit from the machine. And then the secondary hoops are used to guide the weave over the top of the workpiece. You have different size hoops for different diameter workpieces. Okay, so now let's have a quick look at the machine running. As you can see, the braid is running reasonably well onto the workpiece. I need to find a better way of holding what I'm braiding over, because you can see it's moving around a lot and it's affecting the braid. But it seems to be going quite well. I'm chopped. We'll get to the end here and just hold it still, and you can see, if you look there in a bit more detail, you can see the weave on there. And then here's a close-up. The distances are slightly different because of just where I've placed bobbins around, and you can see it's also on a large workpiece and a small workpiece. So there you go. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully there'll be more updates to come. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Cheers.